Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone or tablet supports USB OTG or Bluetooth HID. This is the only reliable way. Once done, plug a USB OTG adapter into the device if using wired peripherals, or open Bluetooth settings to discover devices. Make sure the keyboard and mouse have charge and are in pairing mode. Low battery causes weird lag. Now proceed immediately to connect them. Don't waste time on extra apps yet. Establish the physical connection before moving on. Once connected, accept any OTG or input device permissions. Android and some tablets require explicit approval. Next, adjust pointer speed and tracking in settings, accessibility or mouse/trackpad sections to get smooth movement. Make sure the keyboard layout matches your language and input methods so keys produce expected characters. If keys behave oddly, toggle hardware keyboard settings or install a simple layout app. These steps ensure both typing and pointer actions integrate with apps and games without surprise behavior. You finish by testing clicks, scroll wheel, and modifier keys inside several apps to confirm functionality. Try long press and right-click actions. If things go wrong, repair Bluetooth, reseat the OTG adapter, or reboot the mobile device. That resolves most handshake issues. Make sure to check battery and replace the mouse dongle if interference persists. One troubleshooting tip: enable accessibility pointer options for finer control and slower movement. This often fixes jitter without hardware changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.